Today we are going to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. So let's get going. Here is the problem. So first thing we are going to do is remove all these parentheses. If there is a negative sign in front of the parentheses, we will change the signs of all the terms inside of it when we bring them out. So let's get going. So the first parentheses has no negative sign. So we can bring the terms out as they are. So that's 2x squared plus 3x. The next set of the parentheses has plus sign in front of it, so we can bring them out as they are. So that's plus x squared plus y squared. And the last set of the parentheses have negative sign in front of it. So we will have to change the signs of the terms. So that would be positive 2y will become negative 2y. And negative 5x will become positive 5x. And the last term is by itself, so that's negative y. Now we are going to group all the like terms. And what do we mean by like terms? That means they have the same letters and same exponents. So same letters and their exponents. So that's x squared. So here is another x squared. And that's it. So that's 2x squared plus x squared. Now the next term is the x. So that's plus 3x and plus 5x. So that's plus 3x plus 5x. The next term is y squared. And we don't have any more y squared, so that's just y squared. And the last remaining ones are the y's. We have negative 2y and minus y. Next, we are going to add and subtract the like terms. So the first one is x squared. We have 2x squared and then there is just 1x squared. So that's 2 plus 1. So that's 3x squared. Next we have the x term. So that's plus 3 plus 5x plus 3x and plus 5x. So that's plus 3 plus 5. So that's plus 8x. And then the next one we have y squared by itself, so we are just going to write it down as it is. There is no other y squared term. So that's y squared. And the last we have the y term. There is negative 2 and negative 1. So that's negative 2, negative 1, so that's negative 3 y. And that is our answer. Now let's solve the next problem. Let's work on this problem. And remember, when you have multiple parentheses, you start with the innermost parentheses and remove that one first. So the inside parentheses in this problem are this one right here, and the other one is right here. So we will remove those parentheses first. So that is 3x plus, we will leave the outer parentheses alone, so that is 2y And remember, when we have negative in front of the parentheses, we change the signs of the terms when we bring them out. So positive x becomes negative x, and positive y becomes negative y, minus 5. This parentheses has plus in front of it, so we take the terms out as they are, so that's plus 7x minus 3y. Now we are going to remove the remaining parentheses, the outer parentheses. And this one has plus, this one has negative. So 3x, since this one has plus in front of it, we can just bring the terms out as they are. So that's plus 2y minus x minus y. This one has negative in front of it, so we will change the sign. So that's negative 5, negative 7x, and plus 3y. In the next step, we are going to combine the like terms. So that's 3x. Let's highlight them. So that's 3x, negative x, and negative 7x. So that's 3x, negative x, and negative 7x. Next one we have y, so that's plus 2y, negative y, and plus 3y. So it's plus 2y, negative y, plus 3y. And then we have just negative 5. Now let's add and subtract the like terms. We have the x's first. We have plus 3, negative 1, and negative 7. So that's 3 minus 1 minus 7. So that's negative 5. X. Next we have y's. So we have plus 2y, negative 1y, and plus 3. So that's plus 2 minus 1 plus 3. So that's plus 4. So that's plus 4y. And then we have just remaining negative 5. That's negative 5. And that's our answer. If you have any problems that you would like me to solve or have any comments or questions, post them down below. Also, don't forget to like this video, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.